Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video we'll be discussing about Anaconda installation. In the last two videos we were discussing about Python part 1 and Python part 2. I'll be uploading the part 3 soon. And before that, before getting into part 3, I thought of letting you know, because in the upcoming videos we'll be discussing about more in detail. We'll be using some long lines of code. So for that you need to know how to use this Anaconda and how to use this Jupyter Notebook and all. I had shown you how to you should be installing this Anaconda, and you should then be using Spyder or Jupyter Notebook. It is simple. You have to go to their website. You have to install Anaconda distribution, that exe file, and you have to. From that you can open any of those Spyder or Jupyter Notebook or any such IDEs. Coming to the Anaconda installation, before getting into today's video, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button and also the bell icon for future updates. And also click on the share button because sharing is caring, and do share your valuable comments in the comment section. That is the power, and that is how I understand how useful my video was. So moving on to today's video, before that I thank you all for the extreme love you have given for the part 1 and 2 videos of Python. Thank you so much for the love. I'm so happy that you loved it. They said that I won't be posting continuously. There'll be some 2 to 3 days gap or minimum 5 days gap between the days I post. So for that I request you all to please follow on my Instagram, all the social media handles. I've provided all the links in the description box. So the Instagram, Facebook as well as Twitter handles, I'll be posting some codelets, some tips and tricks. Now Python tips and tricks are going on. So you can check out all these stuffs on my social media handles. Do follow me there too. And now let's move on to this Anaconda installation trust. Now we have opened the Anaconda page. I'll be providing the link in the description box. You can check it out there. This is the installation page and they have given all the system requirements. As of now I'm using Windows 8. If you want me to show in Linux, I'll be showing that. If you want me to show in Mac also, I'll show that. But as of now I'm using Windows, so for shooting this video today I'm using Windows, so that's why let me go with Windows this time. 32-bit or 62-bit, this is the requirement they have. These are the pre-requirements, okay? Also you should have Python installed already. I'll show you how to install Python in the next video. To use navigator in online mode, you can use even this. So let's try clicking this. What will happen? This is online and offline mode. So this is repo.anaconda.com. Coming to the installation, navigator is automatically installed when you install Anaconda. So here is the installation, okay? From here you go to the installation. Oh my god, it's here. You click on this. If you want to uninstall the Anaconda navigator, go to the terminal on Mac OS or Linux and the Anaconda prompt in the Windows and enter this command, okay? All you have to do is you have to visit this site if you have any doubts and all. There is also a cheat sheet available. You can check it anytime. And now let's move on to the installation process. As I said, click on this Anaconda. If you have Miniconda or an older version of Anaconda installed, you can install navigator by running this command inside the Anaconda prompt, okay? So let's move on to this Anaconda installation. I'm clicking on installing on Windows and not on Mac OS, Linux part. There are various options here. From this I'm selecting Windows. From the Windows I'll click on this download the Anaconda installer. So in this page you can see that it's an individual edition. So I'll click on download, it goes down. In Windows mine is 64-bit, so I'll click on this graphical installer, save file, then the installation starts. And I'm not going to click on this because it's already installed on my system. So save file and you can save it in any location you need, okay? So I'm cancelling it here and I'm going to open it, Anaconda Navigator from the start bar. Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda 3. It takes some time to open because it has to load all those files, scripts and all, okay? So this is the dashboard of Anaconda Navigator, and let me now explain. The Jupyter Lab is an extensible environment for interactive and reproducible computing, and it's based on the Jupyter Notebook and architecture, okay? This is what we have been using in Python part 1 and part 2, and this is like a web-based interactive computing notebook environment. My favorite one is Spyder and VS Code. VS Code I separately use, so I don't use it from here. I've already installed VS Code, that's separate one. Spyder is a very good environment when it comes to editing, or it's an IDE for Python, and it has advanced editing, extremely well designed. VS Code is an exceptional one because that's the best of all the editors. In my case, if you ask me, it's the best of all. And for almost everything, I use VS Code for editing React.js, React Native, and also HTML, JS, CSS, and also PHP. For all those steps, I use VS Code. Python 2. PyCharm, it's one of the best things provided by JetBrains. Full-fledged IDE. Similar to VS Code, we can use any other languages like React.js, React Native, Angular, and many other languages are being provided in PyCharm. PyCharm provides all other languages, support for all other languages too, and web development is also being provided. Support is being provided in that. RStudio, this is for the language R. Coming to the environments present, see there are many such environments in Anaconda, Dask, and here also Flask. Everything is already installed, right? What are not installed in my GlueWiz, Orange 3 and RStudio I have not installed. And updatable, there is no such updates, there is nothing selected. Coming to all, it shows everything. Okay, these are the base ones. Open terminal, open with Python, open with IPython, open with Jupyter Notebook. Many such options being provided. Now this is the learning section. See Python tutorial, Python reference, Anaconda package list, and Pandas documentation, NumPy, Anaconda, Jupyter, VS Code, everything documentation is being provided here for easy reference, DevOps for data science. There are many such learning things also present here. Let's see, these are documentations. Now let's remove documentations, we just need training, okay? Explore, this is one Python training by Anaconda, that is one training. There are 21 videos, 20 webinars too. Coming to the community, this is a vast community where you get to meet people. For that you have to sign in obviously. I have not signed in, so I have not used this. So coming to the Jupyter Notebook, as I told you, you have to install this. If it is not installed already, you have to install Jupyter Notebook and Spyder and VS Code for the next few videos. So keep all these ready is what I would love to suggest you. And GlueWiz, Orange 3, PyCharm Professional RStudio will come to the PyCharm later. See, this is the install box. Okay, this is how it will show. So hope you understood how to install this Anaconda Navigator and how these things work and how the dashboard is all about. This is how an Anaconda Navigator is being used. So that is all about this. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you're still here, please do click on the like button and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. I'll be providing more details and I'll be coming up with more new exciting videos. So till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe.